fell off. I'm gonna try to tighten that up. And then this overflow is loose. We're gonna tighten that up. So at least this is in good working order. So let's do that real quick. The way this works is pretty simple. Basically, get this camera lined up here with this, if I can. Kind of hard to get a good angle on this. Nowhere to put the camera in the right place. Hold on. Okay, let's see. There, does that work? All right, so just kind of make sure this is out all the way. All right, and you're gonna put that on like that. All right, and we're gonna tighten that onto the stem real good. All right, so on until it's real good and tight, so that doesn't. All right, so that doesn't fall off. And then basically this then slides onto there. Okay. Screw it on. And that's solid. Put your cap back on. And that is officially fixed. Okay. Yeah, same with the overflow. Looks like it just needs tightened up a little bit. Okay. Well, hold on. Something stuck there. Let me check that too. Maybe I'll have to loosen that just for a minute and just see if what's going on in there with that. Check something on this first before we, cause it looks like this thing is kind of jacked up here, so let's see. Looks like it's all jammed up in there, huh? Let's see here. Let's just take it all out for a minute. Get that to line back up right. Let's see what is really going on here. Okay, let's try putting that back in. It might just not be setting right. It's not, that thing's sitting right in there. I'm not sure why. I'm no fan of these anyway. They're kind of crappy. I'd rather have pop-up ones. It wasn't requested to pop up here, so if it ain't, I'm not going to necessarily do it, but let's just see if that won't line it up better so that it sits right, because clearly this is not. Okay, it's almost, let me see if that stops it or not. Not quite. No, still too long. I just adjusted it long. Gotta bring it down some more. get it this time. Alright, boom. Alright, let's get it in there again. Okay, looks like we got some better movement here. Let me see. Aha. There it goes. That fixed the problem. Alright, so we had to just readjust that a little bit. Alright. We'll just keep that. I'm not gonna mess with it. Okay. I just fixed it, and that's all it needed, just to be fixed. It does work, so we're not gonna mess with it. Okay. As long as it works, just readjust it a little bit. Tighten this back up. All right, so fix the overflow and put him back in. Okay. All right. So. There it goes. All right. So handles fixed, overflows fixed. Let's demonstrate. Okay. Hit the overflow. This little tub. As you see, it's rising up. Let's see how it holds. It's holding water fine. Drop it. There it goes, it drains. Okay, so that is all fixed now. Both parts are good, nice and secure. This flips real easy now, like it should. Just readjust it correctly. And that is, now that it's fixed, let us just verify everything up here is good still. So let's check our diverter. Okay. So that's just like an extra. And, okay, yeah. So I would just make sure that's like that. Okay, yeah, looks like everything's okay. Good. Okay, so the tub's fixed. I don't know what, this was an old one. Get rid of this.